40.
Good morning, everybody. Page number 40.
Last second paragraph, last line. Last paragraph. Sada smiled.
Okay. Got everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me, what did the general, he advised Sadao to combine which two elements?
Germans' ruthlessness and American sentimentality.
Very good. Why?
Because if Sadao persist himself in German ruthlessness, he was capable to hand over the prisoner of war to the police. And if he has the American sentimentality, so he can do the surgeries well, and he will try to revive the patient.
Yes, revive the general maybe. Okay, good. Very good, Aishwarya. So put the date, beta. Sadao smiled. I am not quite sure, he said, but for your sake, I would be willing to try, Excellency. Okay. When the general asked, okay, as a Japanese, could you not combine these two elements? So Sadao, he says, I am not sure, but for your sake, I would at least try. The general shook his head. I had rather not be the tested case. Okay. अब जनरल जो है थोड़ा मजाक करता है, कहता है ठीक है कंबाइन तो करना लेकिन टेस्ट केस मुझे मत रखना. ओके, टेस्ट केस समझ गए? Do not try all these elements on me. He felt suddenly weak and overwhelmed with the cares of his life as an official in times such as these, when repeated victory brought great responsibilities all over the South Pacific. It is very unfortunate that this man should have washed up on your doorstep, he said irritably. And suddenly he feels very weak and he just remembers all the cares, all the tensions of his life. As an officer, he had to face a lot of tensions and all. And repeated victory of the country, it brought a lot of responsibilities on his shoulders. And then again, this was also a big responsibility. Why? Because Sadao had to be saved anyhow. He knew it very well. Why? Because he had this fear that in case if he would not save Sadao and if Sadao, okay, would be executed, and suppose he had an operation, then he would be in danger, as he trusted none other doctors than Sadao. So he says it is so unfortunate that that prisoner, he had to be washed up on your doorstep, on his doorstep only, hai na? He had to be thrown by the ocean on his doorstep. It's so unfortunate, it's so unlucky. I feel it so myself, Sadaus kehta, even I feel it, ki I'm so lucky. Why did he wash on my doorstep? It would be best if he could be quietly killed, the general said. Okay, now see, the general, he comes up with the planning और कहता है best होगा यदि उसको quietly kill कर दिया जाएगा, not by you but by someone who does not know him. और उसको कहता है it he would not be killed by you but by someone who does not know that prisoner. I have my own private assassins. Assassins, the killers, the murderers. Being the general of the country, he had to keep assassins. Okay, suppose I send two of them to your house tonight, or better any night. Okay, and he says that suppose I'm going to send two of them to your house to kill that person today or any other night, you need not know nothing about it. Okay, think that you don't know anything about it. ऐसा सोचना तुम्हें कुछ नहीं मालूम. It is now warm. What would be more natural than that you should leave the outer partition of the white man's room open to the garden while he sleeps? समझ में आया? और उसको planning बताता है कि now it is not so cold, so you can keep the door open. That okay, which door? The other part of the room that has one more door and that opens towards the garden, you can keep it open. समझ गए? जो दरवाजा गार्डन की तरफ है, that you can keep it open. Nobody would suspect. Why? It is quite warm nowadays. It is quite hot nowadays. Certainly it would be very natural. Sadao agreed. और बिल्कुल natural लगेगा कि भाई गर्मी थी इस वजह से the door had been opened. In fact, it is so left open every night. Or Sada accept करता है कि actually every night, it is open only. We don't close it. Good, the general said, yawning. They are very, good morning, beta. They are very capable assassins. Okay. They make no noise and they know the trick of inward bleeding. If you like, I can even have them remove the body. Now the general, he says ki the assassins, the killers that I am going to send, they are very capable, means professionals they are, okay? And they will make no noise and they know the trick of inward bleeding. No outward injury would be there. Outward injury, समझ गए ना? है ना? They are
Yes,
not
ma'am.
going to attack with a knife or with some other weapon for inward bleeding. Okay. Trick they are going to adopt, and by that the person would be killed. And if you like, if you want, okay, even the body, it could be removed from there. Sadao considered, Sadao, he thinks for some time, and then he says perhaps that would be the best thing. Okay, it would be best, even if the body, it would be taken away from there. And he just thinks of Hannah. She was in very much anxiety and very too much of tension Hannah was living. He left the general's presence then and went home thinking over the plan. Okay, now it was a good plan that was made by general, and now he was somewhat relaxed. In this way, the whole thing would be taken out of his hands. Everything would be taken out of his hands. He won't be held responsible for anything, right? हर चीज उसके हाथ से निकल जाएगी. In case any other inquiries would be done about the prisoner, then उसके पास पूरे reasons होंगे ये कहने के लिए कि he was injured, I had to take the bullet out, and I thought that after he would be fine, I would report it to the police. लेकिन meanwhile he just ran away, and he does not know where he ran away. Got it? समझ में आ गया? He can give this explanation. अब सदाओ को भी लगता है कि वो ये explanation भी दे सकता है आराम से, हर चीज उसके हाथ से निकल जाएगी, and he would be safe. Clear बेटा? Understanding it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. और आराम से वो ये बोल सकेगा कि यस वो तो सेव कर रहा था, उसको ऑपरेशन करने के बाद वो हैंड ओवर करता ही पुलिस को, लेकिन उससे पहले ही वो कहीं भाग गया. इसलिए सदाव चाहता है कि इवन द बॉडी शुड बी रिमूव, जिससे देयर शुडंट बी एनी ट्रेस ऑफ हिज मर्डर और ऑफ हिज किलिंग. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now he would tell Hannah nothing, लेकिन वो डिसाइड करता है कि हन्ना को कुछ नहीं बताएगा, otherwise she would panic. Okay, घबरा जाएगी वो. Since she would be timid at the idea of assassins in the house. Got it? और डर जाएगी कि assassins are going to enter the house. ये सोचकर ही वो उसके डर बैठ जाएगा. And yet certainly such persons were essential in an absolute state such as Japan was. और वो सोचता भी है कि जनरल के पास assassins है तो सही है बिल्कुल. क्यों? क्योंकि वो एक absolute country है, absolute state of government है, और वहां पर assassins रखना जरूरी है. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये जो रूलर्स हैं वो डील कैसे करेंगे, जो उन्हें अपोज करेंगे उनके खिलाफ जाएंगे. हाउ विल दे डील? तो क्या होता है एब्सोल्यूट स्टेट में, जो रूलर्स होते हैं उनके असैसिन्स होते हैं, एंड द पर्संस who get killed, who oppose the rulers, na, the rulers get them killed. Now he refused to allow anything but reason to be the atmosphere of his mind as he went into the room where the American was in bed. Okay. Now he did not let anything else enter into his mind. No softness, no kindness, no sympathy, nothing. Okay. Only the genuine reason that anyhow he has to get rid of this person. And then he goes into the room of the American prisoner, but as he opened the door, and he was very surprised to find the young man, he was sitting out of bed, and he was just ready to go into the garden. He was about to go into the garden. I'm sorry, beta. Now, as soon as he sees, Dr. Sadao sees that the person is ready to go, means the prisoner is ready to go into the garden. He exclaimed, he shouts, what is this? Who gave you permission to leave your room? I'm not used to waiting for permission, Tom said. Gaily means happily. Okay. अब वो तो बहुत जोर से चिल्लाया कि who had given you the permission to move out of your room? तो कहता है I'm not used to wait for permissions. Okay, I'm not in the habit of taking any permissions. Tom कहता है I feel pretty good again, but will the muscles on this side always feel stiff? और फिर वो कहता है I'm feeling good now, लेकिन जो इस साइड की मसल्स हैं क्या हमेशा ही वो दुखेंगी, स्टिफ रहेंगी? Is it so? Sadao inquired, surprised. और जैसे ही he complains about his pain, what happens? Sadao एकदम से सब कुछ भूल जाता है, कहता है अच्छा, is it so? Now I thought I had provided against it, he murmured. I have done the treatment, he thinks, and he lifted the edge of man's shirt and gazed at the healing scar. Okay, और man की shirt हटाता है, healing scar को देखता है. Massage may do it if exercise does not. और उसको advise करता है कि exercise से the pain will not go. कोई बात नहीं, massage, you know, it is going to remove the pain that you are having. Say you will be fine. It won't bother me much, the young man said. His young face was gaunt. Gaunt means thin, under the stubbly blonde beard. Say, doctor, I've got something I want to say to you. If I hadn't met a Jap like you. Now, see, this man, he is really, really very much obliged. You know. And he says that, doctor, I just want to tell you something. If I did not get a Jap like you, Jap means Japanese like you, then it was sure that I wouldn't have been alive today. Okay, आज मैं जीवित नहीं रहता. Sadao bowed, but he could not speak. Sadao, he bent a little, but he did not answer. Sure, I know that. Okay, now Tom, he continues his talk. His big thin hands gripping a chair were white at the knuckles. I guess if all the Japs were like you, there wouldn't have been a war. And then Tom, he continues with his talk and he says that sure, I know that if all the Japanese had been like you, okay, soft, kind-hearted and friendly, then the war wouldn't have taken place. Are you following? समझ आ
Yes,
रहा है?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Perhaps, Sadao said with difficulty. And with difficulty, matlab he was not interested in talking to that prisoner. And now I think you had better go back to bed. Now better you just lie down. He held the boy back into bed and then bowed. Good night, he said. Okay, or फिर good night wish करके he just moved out. Now Sadao slept badly that night. Time and time again he woke thinking he heard the rustling of footsteps. Now that night he did not have a sound sleep. Why? Because the thought was going into his mind that the assassins, they will come today and they will kill the person and they will take the body. So, you know, if even the leaves were rustling, okay, तो उसको लग रहा था कि it was the rustling, it was the moving sound of the footsteps. समझ गए? यदि पत्तियों की सड़सड़ाहट की आवाज भी होती तो उसको ये लगता कि ये फुटस्टेप्स की आवाज है. The sound of a twig broken or a stone displaced in the garden. और उसको लगता कि some twig has been broken, कोई टहनी टूटी है, or a stone has been put from one place to another. A noise such as men might make who carried a burden. Now he was imagining कि ऐसी आवाज आ रही है कि some men they had come and they are carrying a burden. Burden, you got it? Body, है ना? वो ये सब सोच रहा है. Now see, the next morning he made the excuse to go first into the guest room. Next morning he got up, took an excuse, went into the American's room. If the American were gone, he then could simply tell Hannah that so the general had directed. और उसने सोचा American चला गया होगा, तो वो हना को बता देगा कि ये सारी planning it was made by general. But when he opened the door, he saw at once that there on the pillow was the shaggy blonde head. Okay, again the shaggy blonde head. Okay, rough, thick blonde head. मतलब उसके hair वगैरह blonde थे ना. He was lying there. He could hear the peaceful breathing of sleep, and he closed the door again. And very peacefully, you know, a very good sound sleep the prisoner was enjoying. So quietly he closes the door. He is asleep, he told Hannah. He's almost well to sleep like that. What shall we do with him? Hannah whispered her old refrain, okay, her old complaint. Again she repeated, what are we going to do with this man? Sadao shook his head. I must decide in a day or two, he promised. Okay, उसे promise करता है कि एक दो दिन में surely I am going to decide. But certainly he thought the second night must be the night. अब वो एक दो दिन क्यों सोचता है? क्योंकि वो सोचता है आज नहीं आए तो surely second night को तो the assassins they will surely come. There rose a wind that night, and he listened to the sounds of bending boughs. Boughs are the branches and whistling partitions. Okay, even the partitions, the doors, windows, curtains, they were just moving because the wind was blowing. And Hannah woke to, ought we not to go and close the sick man's partition? She asked. Now the wind, it was blowing fast. तो हना उठ जाती है और कहती कि हमें उस प्रिजनर के रूम के पार्टीशंस ओके doors, windows वगैरह बंद कर देना चाहिए. No, Sadao said, he is able now to do it for himself. Now Sadao, he stops Hannah. Okay, and he says yes, now he is capable of doing it on his own. Why he stops Hannah?
Because he didn't want it that Hannah would came to know about the assassins.
Hannah should go there, otherwise she might see the assassins. Okay, so Sadao, he stops Hannah. But the next morning, the American was still there. Now, again, in the next morning, when he goes to his room, he finds the American was still there. Then the third night, of course, must be the night. Now he thinks the third night, surely. Today, the general is going to send the assassins. The wind changed to quiet rain, and the garden was full of sound of dripping eaves. Okay, dripping eaves. He got it when the water it comes down during rain. Okay, from the edges and all, and running springs. Sadao slept a little better, but he woke at the sound of a crash and leaped to his feet. Now third night, उसने सोच लिया था finally होगा. थोड़ी बारिश आरिश शुरू हो गई थी, पानी गिरने लगा था, और सदाओ जो है सो रहा था, लेकिन suddenly he leaps up, वो jump हो जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको कोई ऐसा लगता है something has been crashed. Okay, कुछ गिरा है, कुछ टूटा है. What was that? Hannah कहती है. The baby woke at her voice and began to wail. Wail means cry. I must go and see. अब जैसे Hannah कहती है, what is that? The little child, the little baby. He's awakened, okay? And he just starts crying. और Hannah कहती है, I must go and see. But he held her and would not let her move. लेकिन सदाओ ने उसको पकड़ लिया and did not let her move from there. Sadao, she cried, what is the matter with you? Okay. Now Hannah was not able to understand this strange behavior of Sadao. Sadao, what happened? What is the matter with you? Why earlier? This was the first time Sadao had stopped Hannah. Otherwise, Sadao had never stopped Hannah. So that was the main reason Hannah, she was very much surprised. Don't go, he muttered, don't go. His terror infected her and she stood breathless waiting. Okay. So much terror was there in his eyes, in Dr. Sadao's eyes, that infected her, that stopped Hannah, and she was standing breathless. She was just waiting. Then there was silence all over. Finally, they both crept back into the bed and the baby between them. Yet, when he opened the door of the guest room in the morning, there was the young man. Up third day, क्या होता है? Again he goes to the room, okay, and he opens the door of the American's room, and he was sure that today Zarur assassins might have come and they might have taken the body, they might have killed the person and taken the body, but contradictory, what happens? The prisoner, he was still there. He was gay. Gay means happy, and had already washed, all washed, all cleaned up, and was now on his feet, and he was standing. He had asked for a razor yesterday and had shaved himself, and today there was a faint color in his teeth. कल उसने razor वगैरह लिया था, shaving करी थी, so a faint color, the cheeks they were shining. I'm well, he said joyously, और खुश होके कहता है, he's fine. Sadao drew his kimono around his weary body. The kimono, the long gown that he was wearing, he just brought close to his weary means tired body. Why he was tired? Because for the last 3 nights, he couldn't sleep. Okay, and during day he had to work. He could not, he decided suddenly go through another night, or suddenly वो decide करता है कि one more night now, no tensions, he couldn't go with any of the worries, anxieties or tensions. अब वो सहन नहीं कर सकता. It was not that he cared for this young man's life, no, simply it was not worth the strain. अब ऐसा नहीं था कि उसको उस young man की परवाह थी, नहीं. Okay, उसकी परवाह नहीं थी, बल्कि और strain जो है, ठीक है, और टेंशन he could not take. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
beta, then it's time now. Okay, within 2 days we will just finish it up. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, beta. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. God bless you all.